I didn't memorize rules. I just spoke English for 5 minutes a day about my real life, my kitchen, my routines, my mistakes. This is not a lesson, it's a challenge, and it's my journey. Hey friends, you know, at the beginning of the week, I gave myself a small challenge to speak in English for 5 minutes every single day. I know it sounded easy, but it wasn't. Let me show you how I practiced English every day this week. Friends, you know, every day I picked one small part of my kitchen and spoke about it. No rules, no grammar books, just me and my thoughts in English. Friends, on day one, I described my kitchen layout, the shelves, the stove, the sink. On day two, I spoke about my spice box and where I keep things. On day three, I talk about cleaning the sink and wiping the counter. On day four, I shared what I cooked for lunch. On day 5, I spoke about washing dishes and organizing containers. While I was cleaning, I kept repeating a little phrase: clean kitchen, clean mind. It helped me stay calm and focused while speaking. On day 6, I described making tea and serving snacks. And on day 7, I reflected on my kitchen habit and how I keep it clean. Okay, friends, if you are wondering how I described everything in English, don't worry. I will share all of that in my next video where I show my real sentences, the mistakes I made, and how I corrected them. Friends, if you are doing this challenge too, tell me in the comments. I spoke English today, or share what topic you practiced this week. So friends, this was week 1 of my 5 minutes English challenge. One topic, one kitchen, one small step every day. And remember, slow and steady wins the race. Keep going, you are doing beautifully. Thanks for watching. I hope you will join me again. See you soon.